Democracy and Nationality by Srdja Trifkovic, excerpted from an article in Chronicles magazine, October 2024. The collective West, led by the United States, is a political, military, and cultural bloc based on a set of fraudulent claims and dysfunctional ideological assumptions. The first among them is that we, America, Britain, France, Germany, the European Union, etc., are blessed by having our democracy as the basis of an exceptional political system within which each citizen can exercise his allegedly inherent rights to the fullest extent. This is a lie. If democracy means anything at all, it means the identity or very close proximity of the values and interests of those who rule and those who authorize them to rule, of the few who govern and the multitude of the governed, of those who legitimately command and those who willingly obey. This definition of democracy, historically and intellectually correct, is inseparable from the concept of identity. It assumes the essential ethnic and spiritual homogeneity of the specific community that exercises democracy. Identity is the bedrock of the cohesion of the society and the state. It is the foundation of the equality of citizens, defined by belonging to a nation, one of the multitude of nations formed to the beat of the Marseillaise 2 centuries ago, perhaps, but in Europe's case, more likely to an older and deeper sense of abiding love and commitment. A democratic nation is not and can never be a random melange of self determining individuals, loyal primarily to their unique selves and perhaps to some set of momentarily fashionable, allegedly permanent ideological propositions. Most assuredly, it cannot be a random melange of people who just happen to be within a given geographic area at a given point in time. National homogeneity, based on common ancestry and lore, on common language, and a sense of shared destiny, is the prerequisite of the emergence and existence of a viable democratic community. It is conditio sine qua non for the legitimacy of the political system which that community develops. That is the only meaningful definition of democracy. The model has two mortal enemies. One is the sodomist, transgenderist assault on the traditional family, which is the base of every nation's biological survival and the continuity of collective memories. There are as many sex gender related identities as there are persons, we are told. The other is the imposition of mass immigration. The essence of politics, the ability to differentiate between friend and foe, is impossible when differentiation itself is demonized as racism. These weapons of cultural mass destruction have become two non negotiable ideological pillars and legal battering rams of the ruling class on both sides of the Atlantic. Opposing either one is verboten, opposing both is outright criminal.